like think about that why this are happen in your mobile. If you are already know that the catch of app catch and I tried to explain it and why this are happen. Next I will cover this and if there is all open the 100 tab in your all tabs in your laptop or computer. Is it affect your or slow your computer or not? I will tell about this in this video, so watch this video. The two things will be covered in this video. So first thing to why this catch app occur, how we to manage and what is the strategy and how and which theory is used to build this sketch and why this is used, why this sketch here is you stored as a catch and why this name is name. So these are the some question which will be covered in this video. So watch this video until the end so that you will get and know about this technology why this are happening. So as you have used when you install an app, you install an app from an play store, you use the data your online pack. Since if you are using online, if you are using online, you want that GB 1.5 GB pack. Suppose if you have installed app and app size is 208 MB, that means you have to download your app. Download this app. You spend in the 200 MB from your daily pack 1.5 GB. That means you have a left left 1.2 300 GB. Now what is this? Now when this is 200 GB, you have installed it. Now if you have a mobile that is the 32 GB to 330 3 GB RAM to 4 GB 32 GB storage. What will do? It from the 32 GB, it will store it will take a space of 200 MB from your 32 GB. It will not go into the RAM side read-only memory. It is the internal read-only memory. It is used for internal purpose. When you use the app as the time using app, then with the time of involvement you have spent the data. You have spent the data. What the data that you have spent you have shown and what the data to show your product and thing is running background. Background, it is stored as a catch. It is stored as a catch. The meaning of the catch is the background or background garbage. In the electronic it is called background garbage or fast we use. As that of case, if you you use YouTube, obviously you see have spent to watch the video. If the length of a video is 200 MB, or if you are watching a cinema, suppose if it is in a 4K, if you are watching 4K, that is going to and if you without downloading it, if you watch online and YouTube, that is roughly going to your data goes into 500 MB. 500 MB 4K, if you are watching 4K, it goes into 500 MB. So as that of case, to watch this data movie, you have a what data that you have spent. It show you in the two bar. There are two bar are available. One is your databases. What the data bar data or data one is data bar. One is stored as a cache. Other is for your mobile data which are used. So the mobile data that which are used to watch this movie is this amount of data that you have spent this amount of data that you have spent to uh, watch more movie on YouTube and some things. Next amount of data data is used to watch on Facebook. X amount of data is used to watch watch your movie and cinema movie on Twitter. Your X amount of data is used was along with the to use when you to watch your Google. So this amount of data is use what the data that uses uses in a app. So it will to create show this is all app you one day, that is where your 1.5 GB is gone through. Now what is the code and running behind it, and what is the uh, answer that you are getting? Running code could produce take an MB to run the code. What the uh, net you have required, it shows as a catch. So when you erase in a cache and you erase the databases, what the browser that you have what the browser that you have browse on your the any other browser, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, or whatever browser. So if you clear it and your mobile is get free from all of this, then your use as a new. So this is the thing happen when you download and install. Now talk about this. To build this process, there is a study called uh, networking and artificial art. There is a catch build theory which I have already. If you have studied the electronics, if you study the CS, then you have computer and architecture. In the subject of computer architecture, there is a common subject catch building of for your web development, mobile development, and Android development. So which come under the couch building this process to make the UI phase this come under this category. Now let's come into the next point I have tell about this. So before when you are running a more open one tab in your laptop, if you open more two tab, it take a space from your internet. What is the free storage that are using as a Chrome browser? Chrome browser is used. I'll tell you next with one. So when you I am telling in shortest way, I will explain you next video or some day. When you install, when you run a multiple code at a time, your browser of your Chrome or Edge, Microsoft, whatever you are using, it uses the data of your mobile or of your internet to run this code. Instead of now, with the number of code, number of tab is increased. It decrease the performance of your CPU, which CPU is get more busy to perform the all this section at the time at a present time. As that of case, it will goes to more and more complicated as that of now. Yeah, it times come to crash is the point. So when it crash your it is dangerous for CPU because it is hard first time required to build this build and run the tabs, and which decrease the performance of your battery life, and it effect on your mobile computer and it decrease. So if you are using it, so be careful, watch one or two tab and after watching it and close it. So that is the for thing for today, that is the thing that you have to know or I have to share it. There is the new, you cannot find anything. This is the theoretically conceptually building of a burning up tech. So I have tell you. So this is for today guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you know for more technological videos, subscribe this Finding Aag Tech now. We will meet next one. So till then, bye bye. I am going to for sleep. We'll meet next one.